If you're able to go through those, it takes anywhere from 5 to 7 years to get your actual certificate and your red seal. And if you do that properly and take it seriously, you will be a well-trained individual when it comes to the plumbing field, and get you ready to become what I like to dub the junior journeyman, which means you'll have another decade of experience to get before you're ready to actually tackle the real world and the situations that you will come across. I do find it funny. There's that meme going around about that dumbass saying that it's not going to be AI that's going to take our jobs. It's going to be the millions of unemployed individuals looking to take our jobs that are coming. That just tells you the degree to which these people disrespect what we do. They literally think that they can, in a weekend become a certified trade, or like the skills trade in Ontario or BC with George St. Pierre beacon off about you can start your career in 3 months. That is a load of hogwash. And I hope you pass that message on to everybody that you see. It's not a 3-month journey. It is like anything in this world. If you want to be really good at it, it's going to take 10 or 15 years. And you can disagree with me all you want, but once you get on that path, once you're in year 7, 8, or 9, you're like, holy, there is a lot that I still have to learn. There's a lot that I still need to sharpen my skills on, which is the beautiful thing about this trade is if you want, you will never stop learning. And that's my encouragement to you all, is to never stop learning.